how do you guys typically bill for like those added like shrub trimming and stuff? The mowing, I'm not worried about doing, a flat rate for the year, but the shrubs, because everyone's different, some people want it, come out and complain that the shrubs weren't trimmed last week when they were trimmed the week before and want them done every week. Others, we go every 3-4 months, they need trimming. How do you guys, you just bill them separate, or how does that,
Yeah. So
how does that go?
the worst thing you could ever have in a contract or any sort of scope of work is as needed. That is the worst terminology. And if I ever see it in a bid, I just cringe because I remember having those in my contracts, and it's easy to sell and it's horrible to
That's what
fulfill
all
on.
mine have.
As needed. It's horrible. So what you want to do is define every single service schedule for every single line item. So for example, trim bushes every other week from July through January, for example, and then weekly from February through March, whatever it is. And then what happens is if the customer wants it done more, or they think it needs more, you say, great, we're going to do a work order change and adjust your level billing, right?
Contract.
Exactly.
Okay.
And so, but you have to go into the bid with a definition of service schedule on every single service for that contract. It is extremely important. And it will lose. This is why a lot of people
Okay.
lose their shirts on commercial contracts when they first get started and they get scared away. Even if it's small commercial or even just residential, like you're doing level billing, they'll get scared away from it because they put trim. This price includes trimming your bushes, edging your lawn, mowing your grass, pulling your weeds. Like you've got to put definition, even pulling the weeds, weekly, bi-weekly,
once per month or
exactly.
whatever it is.
Which months
Okay.
of the year is it weekly? Which months of the year is it monthly? Like these have to be defined because otherwise you're going to have varying expectations of the customer. You're also going to have varying expectations or varying standards of what the employee thinks the bushes need it, right? And if you do P for P, pay for performance, and you have as needed,
they're not ever going to think it needs it.
Exactly. Your quality control just got shot in the mouth. So you definitely want to make sure that you have definition for both the customer's sake, your pocketbook's sake, and the employee's perspective when it comes to pay for performance.